Hi, I'm Bob Archer, Senior Editor with CE Pro Magazine. Today, I would like to speak about Seura's new line of A2 4K televisions. These new models offer a choice of four screen sizes ranging from 43 inches to 75 inches. The TVs are rated to produce up to 700 nits of brightness, and they can withstand environmental temperature ranges from minus 24 degrees all the way up to 104 degrees. The TVs are also IP56 rated. Some of the other features built into the TVs include high dynamic range compatibility, and they come with an active two-channel soundbar that is designed to integrate aesthetically for a seamless appearance when mounted with the TVs. I installed the 55-inch at my house, and what I would say is a temporary, because the product is going back to Seura, but I installed one on a mount, a portable mount, in my backyard over the late summer months, and I found it to deliver high levels of value. I'll get to that a little bit later, but what I found, well, let me say this: my impression of the TV's performance, it delivers highly saturated, deep colors. The colors are rich, they're vivid, and they really pop. Surprisingly so, considering it's an LED TV. This kind of performance I expect more from like laser-based projectors. The colors really popped. The overall image quality was also very good. I didn't notice any blocking artifacts, any interlacing artifacts. It delivered a really solid image with a variety of content that included streaming and broadcast, both from services such as Netflix, Amazon, and YouTube, as well as Dish. It installed really easily. It has a VESA mounting pattern on the back of the TV. It realistically, you probably need two people to install it, one to hold the TV and one to secure the mounts and whatnot. But it's an easy install. It delivers a fantastic image, and it's bright outdoors. Having it outdoors, even during peak sunlight hours, it delivered a good image. I had placed the portable mount and TV under the eave of my house, facing out towards my yard. And it was really interesting that, for an example, the comments that I had received from it from family members, we had a small gathering over Labor Day weekend that met my home state's criteria for COVID. Yes, we are in COVID times, and we did adhere to my state's COVID rules for social distancing and the amount of people that you could have for a gathering. Everyone during this little family event was extremely impressed with the image quality and the sound quality too. I don't want to overlook that. People thought it was great how good the TV sounded with the sound bar. The biggest takeaway, and I hate to say it, it was an error on my part, was I actually thought the TV was more expensive than what it really was. I was surprised to see the price point of the 55-inch model being only $2,500. Matter of fact, I was blown away. I thought it was a lot more expensive TV. So summing up the Seura A2 series of outdoor TVs, this solution, which again is available in four screen sizes, 43 all the way up to 75 inches, delivers a lot of value. It delivers excellent picture quality in a range of outdoor environments. The series of products can withstand a range of environmental factors, including wind, snow, rain, dust, dirt, bugs, insects. And through all of that, it delivers excellent picture quality, and it installs simply at a terrific price. And throw in the soundbar, which performed well with music. We listened to Apple Music with it because I had connected an Apple TV to it, And there's really no downside to showing this line of products to end users. To learn more about A2 series of outdoor 4K TVs from Seura, please go to Seura.com or cepro.com.